In this video, I'm going to show you how to find videos you watched on Facebook. After going through tons of videos on Facebook, you want to find the previous video you watched. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Continue to tap on settings. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate your activity. Then under your activity, continue to tap on activity log. So this will land you onto an interface like this where you have tons of menus to navigate. Make sure to swipe left until you see videos watched. Then continue to tap the one with this best match, and there you are. You have successfully found videos you watched on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.